Hi, my name is Leia. I'm a registered dietitian at Swedish Cherry Hill, and today I'm going to be talking about beans and how they can benefit your diet. So beans are a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Some easy ways to include them into your diet are adding some crispy chickpeas on a salad, or even completely substituting your meat for a bean entree like a black bean burger or a meatless chili. So enjoy!
Hi everybody, I'm Sous Chef Dane at Cherry Hill. Today I'm going to show you how to cook beans, dry beans from soak. So I've soaked this for 24 hours, washed and cleaned. We add it to our pot. There's ignition to me to let you know that the pot is on. Make sure that the water is covering all of the beans. Get it going. Have it on high. Get it to a boil, let it simmer. As it's simmering, we can add in our seasoning. This is cumin, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. I also got 2 bay leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then 1 tablespoon of your choice hot sauce. What we have here at Cherry Hill is Tabasco or Tapatio. Today I'm using Tabasco. As it's simmering, we'll let everything mix in. It will simmer about 2 to 3 hours, depending on your preference on tenderness on the beans. So this is the finished product of the beans after it's been simmering for 2 to 3 hours on low heat.